right. I love it. I love my little riverfront campsite now. Everybody left. There's only 3 RVs out here. I have a neighbor here who's tent camping. And then, I don't know when, but somebody dropped up a fifth wheel over there. They haven't been back, so... Guys, just 3 more days until I pick up my big stabilizer for this camera setup at Best Buy. Just 3 days, so... thank you for all of the updates on the stabilization. I realized that. I actually thought that it would be better with the Canon. I can't believe that GoPro has still outsmarted big companies like Sony and Canon and Nikon as far as the image stabilization. You can just walk around and hold a GoPro now, and it's way more stable than any of these expensive cameras. So it's coming, but hey, no problem. This stabilizer, when I get it, I'll use it all the time, and we'll be right back to normal. You know, this campground, Sandy Bottoms here in Chattahoochee National Forest, does have a surprise little benefit that I think it's kind of funny. I didn't realize it until now. Well, right now I'm standing in an unoccupied campsite, okay? But I was sitting there editing, and I looked out the window, and 2 boys were carrying a jug down the hill through here of water, like both of them toting it all the way to the RV. And I thought, well, that's pretty strange. Why wouldn't they just get river water? Is there some kind of other water source at the top of the hill? And there is. So as you'll see, there's a trail up to the woods. I will try to do as less walking as possible here. But check it out, guys. It's like that crapper in the woods that I found in Minnesota. Just random. Now, I would assume that they would not put this here and allow this to give us water here if it wasn't tested at least on some kind of a regularly scheduled like increments and stuff like that, because it's got like the drinking fountain style that comes out, and you just pump that and then water comes out right here. And there we go. So water here, water up here. I tasted it just out of curiosity through my hand. It tasted just fine, so that's another thing you could do if you wanted to stay here longer. Sorry, there is water on the lens. Just bring a 5-gallon bucket up here, fill it up, take it back to your RV, although it's going to take, whatever, 15, 20 trips, but it could extend your stay out here. Anyway, I just thought that was pretty cool here. Kind of worth it now that I know that, but I'm going to be leaving soon. Got to go into town. That's funny. The sun just decided to peek through the clouds, and although I didn't plan this, the spot that I picked has this huge opening where the sun can come through the trees. And oh yeah, I'm getting solar, about 25 amps right now. This particular campsite right here is really good if you have to get solar on your RV. I'll get several hours of solar. That's fantastic. Did not plan on that, so today won't even have to fire up the generator. Yeah. Also talked to the Forest Service ranger that came through. He said 100% that water's good to drink, so that's good. So I kind of changed my mind because the sun's out right now. I'm actually going to go on the bike and go explore. Well, I'm just going to follow the river around and see what we can find here along the Chattahoochee National Forest. Just want to see some nature, yeah. And so we explore a little bit. Wow. It is the dreaded fork in the road, though. You have to make a decision right there. Yeah. What do you think of Georgia, guys? I like this area. I like it a lot. My own little sandy beach here. And actually, the water's really, really deep. Go rock climbing. Oh, yeah! It is no doubt a very beautiful area out here in Georgia. However, if you think you're going to enjoy the nightlife without like an actual campfire or something, you're gonna die. They're not like mosquitoes, they're like these really long-looking, pesky I don't even know what to call them. But they can't wait till you open that front door. They can climb in and bug you. So no nightlife here for me. I didn't even bring out the propane fire pit thing once because I don't even like being outside in the daytime. So, okay, I will say goodbye to the Tallulah River, and I'll cut back in tomorrow when we get back to civilization. Yeah. Well, I hate having to pack up in the rain, but it does happen sometimes. Just gonna have to put the awning away wet and then dry it out some other day. That's all I can do right now. So we'll wait till it stops, and yeah, I still gotta load the motorcycle on the back in the rain too, and then we'll hit the road here. Ugh, it's been a long day. I had all these plans to film and everything today, and then all I really did was got here to the Clayton, Georgia Walmart here, got a bunch of supplies. I stocked up for TP for my bunghole. But while in Walmart, I actually upgraded and changed my curtain system up here. So we will go into the RV and I'll show you what it looks like now. I don't have a before picture, but you know what it looked like. I had that old green cover below and the matching white ones on top. Okay, check this out. Jacksamus! Alright, so now we have a black curtain all the way across and it goes all the way down. What I ended up doing is just getting one of these really long, normal, cheapo, cheesy things from Walmart that holds curtain, and I put it to the back. You can see it connected right there. And then I included 2 lengths of this like that. I mean, total I'm into this for about $15 for that entire black piece to go all the way across. And it looks so much better than having one color from here lower and then white from up there. Just having that blackout curtain at night just really makes it look a lot more clean in the RV, at least I think. And I'm going to clean up this area now. The guitar is no longer going to be here. My camera case is going to go in a different spot. I just want the entrance to look a little more clean. That's what I'm going for anyway. And I haven't quite decided how I want to put it away when I want to drive during the daytime, but essentially grab it like this and maybe have a hook or something to just, like one of those little hooks that just sits there. For now, I'm just going to tuck it up on the wires while I drive like that. And then this one, I'll just grab, bring back, and put behind the guitar like that. That way I've opened it back up for driving. Thinking about cat stuffs? What? I can't hear you. Anything else? No? You good? By the way, you can see his cat bed's no longer here. We donated his new cat bed to Goodwill. Because Jax doesn't like it. for whatever reason, sometimes he doesn't even like his little bed that's up on the passenger seat. He'll prefer to be on the speaker box until I move his bed and put it on the speaker box. Then he'll enjoy the vinyl of the seat. He's a weird cat. You can't ever tell a cat where to sleep and what kind of material to enjoy. He has clearly made it clear that he doesn't need a cat bed. He is just fine having a square of the couch, and when I'm working over here, he'll invade this square. You know, that's just the way he is. Guys, girls, everybody, have a great day. Have a great, safe 4th of July, everybody. Jax and I are going to head on south and see an old friend there at base camp near Athens, Georgia, and we'll be right back at it, moving forward with these awesome plans that I'm so excited about to share with you really soon, not to mention getting that stabilizer and a few other things. So have a great vacation, guys. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. That's why we RVers love Walmart so much. Just dropping off a trailer in the middle of the Walmart parking lot, 40 feet from my RV, at 3:15 in the morning. It's tough, man, because the RVers are the ones that get punished here. This Walmart here in Clayton allows RV overnight parking. It does not allow semi-trucks at all. Yet they're the ones who come in and abuse the entire property, dump their piss jugs out the window, throw their garbage everywhere, and yet RVs get... That's what's tough. I can sleep tomorrow. It's fine.